So we should start now. Honorable ARO sir, Reverend our principal sir, P. Dhal sir, our subject coordinator, all my respected colleague, master trainers, teachers, and all available guests here. Good morning to everyone. It is my privilege to welcome you all in this inaugural session of this 3 days capacity building webinar for science teachers of Bihar Zone F. Thanks to everyone who have joined till now, and I would like to request all my teacher or my master trainers and teachers to please mute your mic and switch on your video for this session, for the smooth conduction of this session. I repeat, please mute your mic and switch on your video. Okay, so now let's begin our program with the pious enchantings of Gayatri Mantra, which is a glimpse of our rich Indian tradition. So we will start with the Gayatri Mantra. You are getting the sound?
Yeah.
Sound of Gayatri Mantra is being shared?
No, still no.
Okay.
Yes. Yo nah prachodayat.
Yo na prachodaya.
Okay, thank you. Thanks to everyone. Now may I cordially invite our center in charge or subject coordinator, Sri P. Dhal sir, to please bless us with his welcome speech. Sir, please.
Good morning, everybody. Am I audible? Am I?
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
Your video is off, sir. Your video is off.
My video is on. I think it is on.
No. Yes. Okay. एक मिनट सर.
Is it on?
1 minute. एक मिनट सर. No, sir.
We are unable
it
to
is
see
going
you, sir.
on. Now, is it?
Actually,
It's not clear.
no, sir. No, sir. I think light is not proper in your room, sir.
No, light is there. But video is showing video setting. Okay, let me set it. Okay, it is showing a dark screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Pankaj,
Rakesh, sir.
Yes, sir.
how can it be?
Give
Pankaj,
some idea.
इसका वीडियो क्यों नहीं आ रहा है, देखो तो वीडियो क्यों नहीं आ रहा है. Mirror my video. Would it like this? Touch of my appearance. Adjust the light. Light is auto.
Maybe back camera will be selected.
Back camera.
Yes, sir.
What is there? Turn off my video when joining. No, it is off. So hide non-video participants. Advanced. What is the setting? Why video is not there? Acha, should I join by the mobile again?
Yes, sir. Why not?
Okay, let me join the mobile. I'm joining through the PC. It may not be.
On the webcam may not be working.
Or maybe webcam has some problem, maybe.
It's not configured, I think.
Okay,
So.
let me join. Okay, let me join to. Video का क्या setting है? Allowed हो गया है, but it is showing a dark screen. It is showing a dark screen. Agreed. ठीक अच्छा ठीक है ओके but I will work on this. So I am leaving and joining to this mobile. No, stop it. You will stop. You will stop. So let me join mobile. Allow me.
Yes, sir. Allowed.
Am I visible now?
No, sir.
Am I audible and visible?
Audible, sir, not visible.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. You are now
visible
audible
too.
and visible both.
Okay, nice. So this is the technology's drawback. Sometimes we get delayed. Okay, and I
am visible in both the platforms. It is visible in the
computer also. Okay. So good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
I, on behalf of the
Good morning, sir.
Structure Zone,
Welcome cordially all of you to join this
three
Sir,
webinar.
excuse me, sir. Sir,
Yes.
please mute one of any one of your system mic.
Okay. इसको बंद करो.
Okay, now all of you have joined. I think around 44 participants have joined. It's nice. All of you have joined timely. And without taking much time, let me all join. Let me all join to this webinar of the 3 days with a quotation of Albert Einstein. That it is the supreme art of the teacher to arouse love and compassion and creative expression among children. And it is not necessary that a teacher should be perfect, but a joyous and joyful teacher would imbibe joyous experiences in the classrooms is the need of the hour. Gone are the days when sparing the rod and spoil a child was the catchword for a teacher. Nowadays, it is not like that. So we have to learn ourselves to create joyous experiences rather than only focusing to the academics. The need of the hour is to develop the skills, develop the attitudes and aptitudes of learning, and most of all, a joyous experience in the classroom situation and in the current pandemic time in the virtual platform. I once again cordially welcome you and invite you with a hope that you are all in safe and sound health and you are doing well with your family and friends. in this pandemic time when everybody is confined to the four walls of the house, it is the need of the hour. We should support each other and we should collaborate ourselves, not only we teachers, but also the administrators, the management, the parents, the students, and the community. So it is a collaborative approach now to get to the real situation, get to pass the real situation till the normalcy restored. In this 3 days webinar, we are having a plenty of innovative workshop modules that has been prepared by our master trainers. They have done their homework properly and they have come out with a new idea this time that the teachers should also be included. There are a classification of teachers or grouping of teachers. They have made 4 or 5 teams. So the team of the teachers would also be allowed to give their presentation on the 2nd and 3rd day. So this is the specific difference of this webinar than other webinars and seminars, of course. And this is how we can collaborate. The master trainers are not very senior than you, some of you teachers maybe, but they have been given the assignment to do the things. That's why they are called master trainers. They are master trainers. That does not mean that they are master of yours. They are the colleagues. They have been given assignment to monitor the situation, monitor the training needs of the teachers, and collaborate with the, cooperate with the, coordinate with the management, so that the things of the training should be translated into the classroom situation. The training is not over after this workshop only. Much more remains beyond this workshop. After the workshop, real translation or the transfer of training, transfer of learning is the main pursuit that the teachers should follow. Training is a collaborative approach when everybody shares the experiences, everybody shares the doubts, clarify the doubts, maybe in administrative, maybe in classroom situation, maybe in topics, lessons, maybe in activities, maybe in practicals. But the doubt clearance is not for the teacher themselves. They will clear the doubt which has been developed in the children. Keeping in mind the children's learning outcomes, the need of the hour is to train ourselves so that the students who are even better than us in terms of their computer savvy and in terms of the technology utility usage. So we have to also update ourselves in our technology usage, and in the current times, the pandemic, we should also take care of the health and wellness of the students and our community also. So these are the points which will be taken up in the 3 days webinar without taking much time, without becoming a hindrance between you and the master trainers. So let me conclude by saying that the 3 days webinar should be a collaborative, a corroborative, and a real life situation presentable in the platform, virtual platform, even though we are not sitting together and discussing. So in the collaborative manner, and I also advise, I rather request all, you should not leave the webinar, even the master trainers and the colleague teachers should not leave the webinar any point of time during the course. And also the attendance would be filled up within a stipulated time after each session. So if you do not fill up the attendance, you will be marked absent, and that will be also sent to the regional office. It will not give a good picture for your school and in your person also. So that is also expected of all of you. Even the master trainers are requested to fill up the attendance sheet, and there is a comparative attendance sheet will be prepared in zonal level. How many attendances are there in different webinars, different subject webinars. So if our attendance is more, they will be feeling highly appreciated. So that is my honor, that is my able, and that is my humble request to all of you. So I now conclude my speech by saying that let the 3 days webinar continue without any hitch without any glitches, without any difference of opinions, without any minds differences. So thank you all and have a 3 days webinar. Happy learning. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Now I hand over the platform to Mr. Rakesh to say a few lines in terms of the master trainers, and the master trainers will say a few words of their discussions, and they will next switch over to the next formal meeting. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It is really inspiring and motivating for us. Now, I would like to inform you that the link for attendance of this inaugural session has been shared in the chat group, in the chat box. You may please go to chat box and fill up your attendance. And now let's stand together for our pride, that is DAV GAN. Sound is there? साउंड आ रही है?
No, sir.
No, sir.
साउंड नहीं आ रही है सर, विजुअल है बट साउंड नहीं है। राकेश सर,
That's what happened. There is no audio.
Let me check, sir. Just a minute. I will start it again. Sound is coming.
अविरल निर्मल सलिल सदय ज्ञान प्रदायिनी ज्योतिर्मय हो चहुषि उद्घोष अभय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय प्रबल प्रवाहमयी नित नूतन जीवन दायिनी सदा सनातन वेद प्रणीता परम पुनीता ये धारा अक्षय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय दयानंद से प्रेम भक्ति ले हंसराज से त्याग शक्ति ले धर्म भक्ति का राष्ट्र शक्ति का हो दिन मान उदय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय सुख समृद्धि इसकी लहरें प्रेम शांति इसके तट ठहरे सघन शांतिमय प्रबल क्रांतिमय लिए अटल निश्चय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय।
Thank you.
Sir, excuse me, there's a query. Sir, good morning. There's a query.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Sir, while filling the attendance, the name of the school is not coming. Actually, I am from Haryana, Hisar. And
Actually,
it's
ma'am,
not accepting.
yes, ma'am, your concern is right. Actually, I have made this attendance by keeping in concern of our teachers only. I will. You don't need to make attendance, but if you want to make, I will make a column for the guest also.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. So now we should conclude our this inaugural session and ready for the session. Neeraj sir. Neeraj sir, please send your meeting link in the DAV teachers group, DAV science teachers group, so that teachers may join the next session at 10:05. We will meet again.
Sir, the next session is of
Thank you.
Shri
Thanks,
Neeraj
everyone.
Sir.
Should we leave now?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
ये अटेंडेंस के लिए सर लिंक नहीं आया।
अब ग्रुप में नहीं,
इनॉग्रेशन सेशन का
चैट बॉक्स में गया सर, फिर से हम डाल देते हैं। आप लोग देख लेंगे, चैट बॉक्स में अभी है और ग्रुप में भी हम डाल देते हैं, ग्रुप में भी डाल देते हैं।
ये ग्रुप में डाल दीजिए,
ग्रुप में डाल दीजिए।
ग्रुप में डाल दे रहे हैं तुरंत।
ओके
Okay. So should we end this meeting now?
Sir, 1 second, please. Sir,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
is the attendance then?
Yes,
Sir,
ma'am.
what is
I'm
the
just
attendance?
making correction. You can fill your attendance till 10:05.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay.